Hey guys, so let's unbox my first skull panda. So excited. These are the options. Okay, sorry if the TV is a bit loud. I'm watching The Grinch. And may I just say, I would love to get either the red or the pink. Although they are all really, really beautiful. Okay, so this is a little plastic thing it comes in. I don't know, it's a bit underwhelming. I thought it would be a bit more, I don't know, colorful, like the ones the Labubu comes in. This is so plain with just the name. So, yeah, okay. Okay, you get to see it first. Look, I got the green one! I have to say, this collection, the Skull Panda Impressionism, is really, really lovely. And I think this green will go so well on my new bag, which you will see in just the next clip, I think. Or maybe the one after that. I don't know. Anyway, this is she. And I love it. I have to say, these skull pandas are really, really nice. And I was so shocked when I managed to find it on the Pop Mart website. I thought there was, like a waiting list and whatnot. Maybe I got lucky that day. And now I want more. I want more. It's time. So I just thought that we could start putting the stickers on the cover because let's face it, it is one of the most important things when you start your new journal, okay? Facts. So, and it's what's keeping me most anxious because for me, the cover is what sets the vibe. It's what sets the tone. It sets everything. And it's something I'm going to look at for the rest of the year. So, yes, I think I have enough stickers to do a cute cover, I hope. Okay, so we have like a rough layout of the major stickers. I mean, those that I really, really want to stick on. I think this is the placement that I like. And then obviously we're going to fill in the empty spaces with some, smaller stickers like these ones that I have with Hello Kitty and stuff. Just, to fill out the blanks. Let's get started. Let's do this. Why is it so difficult?
1 hour later.
Gosh, it's gonna take me forever. there you have it, guys. I mean, I just kept going and adding and adding and adding, and you know what? I love it. I love how full it looks, and I love how every sticker, like, I can resonate with every sticker. I mean, we've got the bubble tea, we've got the camera, we've got the books, we've got the quotes, we've got the unicorn, obviously. We've got stationery. So yes, 2026, looking pretty cool. Hi guys, it's me. How are all of you? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. So you actually already must have seen some clips from my video I actually filmed a couple of days ago. Today's Monday and it's a public holiday. And I started this vlog on Saturday where I did an unboxing of my first ever skull panda. I have it attached to my bag. I'll show you guys later. And then I did the setup of my Hobonichi for 2026. And I hope you can hear me. I have my microphone on and we're in this cafe and there's music. So not ideal. Anyway, I hope you can hear me clearly. Anyway, the whole reason why I wanted to film this video, because I just like to do it when I'm out and about, is to show you guys my new bag. What did I end up buying in Rome a couple of weeks ago? Well, I told you guys that I had an appointment at a Miu Miu boutique. I made an appointment because I wanted to make sure that I found the bag that I wanted to get and in the color that I wanted. So, what am I talking about? So, I got the Miu Miu pocket bag. Yay! She is so cute. And here is the skull panda that I was talking to you guys about. I got the green one. I actually wanted to get either the red or the pink, but I'm glad I got green because it matches perfectly with the color of the bag, which, by the way, is in the color caffè, which is Italian for coffee. And it was admin that I get it in this color because I didn't want to get it in black. I didn't want to get it in the camel color. They have a suede version. I already have my Bottega Veneta in that beautiful camel color, so I thought, no. I wanted to get in this dark brown coffee color. I was about to say chocolatey color, but it can be a chocolatey color as well. Anyway, this is she, and I love her so much. I'm so excited to have her and to use her. And I wanted to do also a what's in my bag. And as you can see, this bag comes in many pockets. Obviously, it's called the pocket bag. And I've tried to use most of them. Anyway, let's do a what's in my bag so you can see exactly how much you can put in this bag. And I'm going to lower the camera so that you can see the bag properly. Okay, so the first thing I just have it popped out because I use my phone to control my camera. And it is the iPhone, I think this is the 16 Plus, and just a little bit of info and insight. I was actually, when I was doing some research and stuff, I thought that this iPhone would fit in the front pocket because I thought, how convenient would it be if I managed to put it in my front pocket? Well, it doesn't fit. If you have the iPhone in the plus size, just know that the iPhone will not fit in this front pocket due to the length. It's too long, so it will not fit. I don't know the regular iPhone, maybe. I'm pretty sure that maybe the smaller size iPhone, like regular size, might fit in the front pocket, but I can't guarantee. I can tell you that the plus size will not fit. And in the front pocket, what do I keep? I keep my hand sanitizer. And I like the fact that I have it in here because it's easy access. And I have to say, these hand sanitizers are quite chunky, so I think it's best that it stays here. Then in the main compartment, I have some receipts, which I might just put in front for some presents that we got earlier. Put them in here. Over here, I have this little reusable bag that you can, fold and use in case you need some extra space. I have my wallet, my usual Louis Vuitton recto verso. It's a card holder. I've been having it for years. This is a staple in all my what's in my bags. Then I have a mirror. I got this from Amazon, and I obviously had to put a Hello Kitty sticker on top of it. Then I have a portable battery pack, and I like this one because you don't have to have like extra cords or whatnot to use it. You just plug it like you would the regular plug, and then it tells you like how much battery you have. It's now 100%, but yeah, I think it's very good to have one of these just in case. And then I have a Tide to Go pen. I remember a while ago these were impossible to find here in Europe, but now you can find it easy on Amazon. And then as you can see, there are two back pockets over here. In one of them I actually had the microphone that I'm using with my AirPods here. I'm not a super fan of the AirPods, I have to say, because they do fall off my ears. I just use them usually when I'm in the office during my lunch break when I want to watch like YouTube videos and stuff. And then in the other pocket, I have a couple of lip products. I have it's the lip oil from Kylie Cosmetics. Kylie Cosmetics or Kylie Skin, anyway. It reminds me of the summertime because the scent is like coconut scent. So it's one of my favorites, I have to say. Definitely something that, in fact, I'm almost out of it. Definitely something that I would repurchase. And then I have one of these mini liquid lipsticks from Huda Beauty in the color Bombshell. And then it also comes in a couple of side pockets. These side pockets over here, they're not the easiest to open and close because I remember I was watching a YouTube video of this bag online. And a while ago, the side pockets weren't like actual buckets. They were like magnets that you could open and close. But now they are actual buckles, and it's kind of cumbersome to open and close them, I have to admit. In fact, I think just one of them I just keep my mini pill box inside because I know it's something that I'm not going to need. I hope I'm not going to need, but because I'm a granny, I like to carry a mini pill box with just something in case. And I thought I don't mind having it in the side pocket because I know it's not one of those things that I'm going to need, I'm going to, have to grab constantly. So just having it in here is fine. Fits perfectly. So, and it's a pity because, you can fit things in here, but I do not like the fact that it comes in a buckle because it's not easy to get in and out of. In fact, I don't even know if I'm going to close it. Right, guys, so that is all I keep in my Miu Miu pocket bag. I forgot to tell you, it's in a small size. This bag comes in a small and in a bigger size. I got the small size, and as you can see, I can fit my everyday essentials. I tell you, when you have to film, the whole world has to pass by. So, yes. As I was saying, it's in the small size, but I can fit my everyday essentials comfortably, whatever you need. It's a great bag. Obviously, it's a handheld bag, so I carry it in the crook of my arm, but you can carry it on your shoulder. It's definitely not a crossbody bag. But yeah, I'm kind of in my handheld bag, like bags that I carry in the crook of my arm kind of era. I like it, and I love this bag so much. Right, that's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thumbs up the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're not. Comment, let me know if you like the bag. Let me know if you are obsessed with Skull Panda. My first Skull Panda, I love her. And right, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.